Solving simultaneous equations. Two simultaneous equations are given to you. 5x plus 3y equals to 22. 2x plus 4y equals to 20. We are solving by elimination method. In elimination method, you have to delete x or you can delete y. X can be deleted, x can be eliminated, or y can be eliminated. This is called elimination method. You can solve by substitution method also. So we are solving by elimination method. If you want to eliminate x, then you have to multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 5. These constants are playing the role. 5, equation number 1, you have to multiply by 2, just opposite. It's 5x, so multiply by 2. And equation number 2, you have to multiply by 5. Then x can be eliminated. What about if you want to eliminate y? If you want to eliminate y, then equation number 1, you can multiply by 4. And equation number 2, you can multiply by 3. These constants will play the role. Equation number 1 multiply by 4 and equation number 2, you can multiply by 3. We are eliminating x. So let's try to eliminate x. Equation number 1, you can multiply by 2, and equation number 2, you can multiply by 5. Then x can be eliminated. 5x plus 3y equals to 22 multiplied by 2. So you will get 10x, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 22 multiplied by 2 is 44, right? And equation number 2, you can multiply by 5. 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20, and 20 multiplied by 5 will give you 100. This is called elimination method. Now you can subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. You can subtract. Subtract 2 from 1. When you subtract 2 from 1, then 10x minus 10x will be eliminated. When you subtract, the signs are changed. In subtraction, always the signs are changed of equation number 2. So plus 10x will become minus, plus again will become minus, and plus 100 will become minus. 10x minus 10x is cancelled, can be eliminated, and you can get y. Plus 6 minus 20 will give you what? It's minus 14y. And 100 minus 44 will be minus 56. Now minus and minus can be cancelled from both the sides, and you will get 14y is equal to 56. Y can be found 56 divided by 14. In this way, you are going to get the value of y. 56 divided by 14 will give you 4. This is the value of y. Y is equal to 4. Next step is to find x. So let's find x now. To find x. How to find x? Substitute the value of y in any one of the equation 1 or equation 2, given in the question. So I'm using equation number 2. You can use equation 1 also. Equation 2 is 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. Here I'm going to substitute the value of y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. From this equation, you can find x. 2x plus 16 is equal to 20. 16 can be shifted on other side. It will become 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. So from here, you can find the value of x. I'm continuing here. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. X is equal to 2. And y is equal to 4. This is the solution set. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. This is the answer. 2, 4. Now you can do verification also. I'm doing verification from equation number 1. We will substitute 2, 4 in equation number 1 and it will be satisfied. Let's do verification now. 2, 4. This is our answer. Let's verify this. So this step is called verification or checking your answer. 2, 4. Verification. You can use equation number 1 also for verification or equation number 2. Okay, this time we are using equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 5x plus 3y is equal to 22. I'm putting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. X is equal to 2, we are substituting, and y is equal to 4. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So you can see this is 22. And the right-hand side is also 22. So the equation is satisfied. You want to use another equation, you can use it. Second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. Substituting this, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And the answer is 20. And the right-hand side is also 20. So this equation is also clear. This is also satisfied. It means your answer is 100% correct. You can use only one equation 1 or equation 2. So this is your answer 2, 4. 2, 4. X is 2 and y is 4. This is the answer. This is the solution set for this simultaneous equations. Let's see another question for simultaneous equations. Next question is 8x minus y is equal to 4. 3x plus 8y is equal to minus 166. You have to solve by elimination method. If you want to eliminate x or y, you have to decide first by which constant you have to multiply equation 1 or equation number 2, right? If you want to eliminate y, so you can multiply equation number 1 by 8. Okay, then minus 8y and plus 8y will be eliminated, will be deleted, and you can find x. So let's multiply it. Or if you want to eliminate x, how can you eliminate x? You can multiply equation number 1 by 3 like this. These constants are very important. You can multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 8. But we are eliminating y. It is easier to eliminate y. These constants will play the role. Equation number 1, you can multiply by 8. Let's continue. Equation number 1, you can multiply by 8. And then y will be eliminated if you add them. So equation number 1, 8 multiplied by 8, 64. X, and minus 1 multiplied by 8 will give you minus 8y. And 8 multiplied by 4 will give you 32. 4 8s are 32. We are not making any changes in equation number 2. It is same. 3x plus 8y is equal to minus 166. Now, these are the changes in equation 1 and equation 2. Let's try to see which variable is eliminated, x or y. Minus 8y and plus 8y, you can add them. When you add minus 8y and plus 8y will be deleted, will be eliminated. So now you can see 64 plus 3 will give you 67. Y is already eliminated. Now you can write the answer. Plus 32 minus 166. Minus will come. 166 minus 32 will give you 134. So from here you can find x. Minus 134 divided by 67. X will be in minus. 134 divided by 67 will give you 2. So x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. You found the value of x. Now to find y. Finding y now. Substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. I'm using equation number 1. It is more simpler as compared to equation number 2. Equation number 1 is 8x minus y is equal to 4. This is the given equation number 1. I'm substituting the value of x. What is the value of x which you have just found? It is minus 2. Minus y is equal to 4. Solving it further, it will be minus 16 minus y is equal to 4. 4 can be brought on this side. So it will be minus 4 and y can be shifted on another side. So it will become plus y. Minus 16 minus 4 will give you minus 20 is equal to y. This is the value of y. Y is equal to minus 20. I'm writing it here, y is equal to minus 20. And you can just make a box. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 20. In this way, you can solve simultaneous equations. Now I'm doing the last step, verification or checking your answer. Minus 2, comma, minus 20. Let's do it now. Minus 2, comma, minus 20. This is your answer and you have to verify. So this is the verification last step. Verification means to check your answer is correct or not. So by substituting x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 20, I'm substituting in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? It is 8x minus y is equal to 4. Substitute the value of x. It is minus 2 here. And y is equal to minus 20. We want to see left-hand side and the right-hand side is equal to each other or not. This is called equation is satisfied. Minus 16, 8 multiplied by minus 2, and minus into minus is plus. 20 minus 16 is 4. So it means the right-hand side is also 4. It means your answer is correct. You can see yourself the answer is correct or not. Simultaneous equation is a very important question and it's going to come every year in every exam. Maybe 1 or maybe 2. 4 is equal to 4 means the equation is satisfied. Verified, satisfied. So you have verified your answer. Let's see one more question of simultaneous equations. Another question is 5x plus 3y is equal to 22. 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. Let's solve it. Two x minus 4y is equal to 4. 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Now you have to eliminate. You have to solve these simultaneous equations by elimination method, right? So 2x minus 4y is equal to 4, 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. If you want to eliminate x, so you can multiply, these constants will play the role 2 and 5. You can multiply equation number 1 by 5 and equation number 2 by 2. Or if you want to eliminate y, then these constants will play the role. You can multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 4. You have to select any one. I'm selecting to eliminate x. Let's eliminate x now. To eliminate x, you multiply equation number 1. These constants are very important by 5 and multiply equation number 2 by 2. Let's multiply them. And let's see how to eliminate. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. And 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Now 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And 2 multiplied by 24. 4 2s are 8. And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we have done multiplication. Now we have to eliminate. X can be eliminated. To eliminate x, we need minus 10x. And minus 10x means you have to subtract. Only by doing subtraction, 10x minus 10x can be cancelled. So let's apply elimination method. This 10x will become minus 10x. This minus sign will become plus, and this plus sign will become minus. 10x minus 10x is deleted. What about y? 20 plus 6 minus 20 plus 6. So it is minus 14y. Minus 20 plus 6 will give you minus 14y. What about 20 minus 48? Minus will come in the answer. 48 minus 20 is what? 28. What is the next step? Y is equal to 28 divided by 14. Minus and minus is cancelled. This minus is cancelled with this minus. And 14 and 20 divided by 14 will give you 2. 14 2s are 28. So y is 2. The value of y, you are done with it. Now to find x, you can use any equation to find x. I'm using equation number 1. How to find x? Equation number 1 is 2x minus 4y is equal to 4. You can substitute the value of y. What is the value of y? You are just finished with it. Y is equal to 2. 2x minus 8 is equal to 4. 8 can be shifted on other side. It will become plus 8. So 2x is equal to 12. From here you can find x. X is equal to 12 divided by 2. Let's continue with that. X is equal to 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 6 are 12. So you are done with it. The answer is 6, 2. 6, 2 is the answer. So let's verify our answer 6, 2. So this is called verification 6, 2. Let us see how to verify 6, 2. X is 6 and y is 2. So you can use any equation. I'm using equation 2. 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. X is 6 and y is 2. You have just finished the answer. X is 6 and y is 2. 5 6 are 30 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 30 minus 6 is 24. It means the left-hand side and the right-hand side both are equal. The equation is satisfied. You can satisfy by using another equation also. So I'm using 2x minus 4y is equal to 4. What is the value of x? 6. What is the value of y? Is 2. 2 6 are 12 and 4 2s are 8. And 12 minus 8 is 4. So the equation is satisfied. The right-hand side is 4. You have verified the answer 6, 2 and through both the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, and it is satisfied. Thank you so much for attending simultaneous equations.